Hey there and welcome back. In today's quick Smartsheet tutorial, I'm going to show you a helpful tip that's perfect for organizing your information and making your sheets look incredibly clean and structured. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly indent text in Smartsheet to better organize your lists, tasks, or any kind of hierarchy you're working with. Let's get started and level up your Smartsheet skills. So first things first, let's open up Smartsheet. Make sure you're logged into your account and looking at the sheet you want to organize. Smartsheet is a fantastic tool for managing projects, creating checklists, and keeping big workflows under control, but things can get visually overwhelming if you've got lots of items or tasks showing up at the same level. Indenting helps with that by allowing you to create a hierarchy, which not only looks orderly but also makes relationships between items much clearer at a glance. Now say you want to lay out a project plan with major tasks and then add subtasks underneath each one. That's where indenting comes into play. Here's all you need to do. Just click once to select the row or cell where the text you want to indent is located. You'll see a blue highlight appear. That's how you know it's selected. If you want to indent several rows at once, just click and drag to highlight a whole group. Sometimes it's easy to miss that you've only selected a single cell, so double-check the highlight before moving on. Next, look up at the top of your Smartsheet interface. You'll see a row of icons above your grid. This is your toolbar. One of those icons is a little right-facing arrow, which is the indent button. It might feel a bit tucked away if you haven't used it before, but once you spot it, you'll remember it for next time. Go ahead and click that indent button. What happens now is pretty neat. Your selected item or items will shift slightly to the right. This visual cue tells you and anyone else viewing the sheet that these rows are now sub-items under the row straight above. This might seem like a tiny change, but don't underestimate how powerful indenting can be for staying organized, especially as your sheets get bigger or your projects become more complex. If you're familiar with outlining essays or making to-do lists, think of this like grouping related tasks together, so you can collapse or expand sections and everything's much easier to find. If your sheet is set up to summarize data, indenting can even help create parent-child relationships, like turning your phase 1 into a parent task, and each step in that phase into neatly indented subtasks underneath. Don't worry if you need to undo a mistake. You can always outdent by clicking the left arrow button and your sheet will adjust instantly. And that's honestly all there is to it. A simple single click can make your Smartsheet look far more professional and a lot easier to navigate. Even if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to experiment with indenting. It's a feature designed to help, not trip you up. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Smartsheet shortcut you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials to boost your productivity. I'll see you in the next one.